Delhi started their IPL journey with legendary players. Delhi underperformed in most of the IPL seasons, where they reached the playoffs 4 times. In 2020, Delhi made its first final appearance in the IPL, but they lost to Mumbai, and many players were seen in the franchise, so watch till the end. Number 15, Umesh Yadav. Umesh Yadav started his cash-rich league in 2009. He played for 5 seasons consecutively for Delhi, but Umesh got his first chance in 2010 IPL and he took 6 wickets in 2010. And in 2011, he took 2 wickets, and in 2012, he took 19 wickets, and in 2013, Umesh Yadav took 16 wickets. After 2013 IPL, Umesh was under the hammer in 2014 IPL auction. Number 14, Imran Tahir. In 2014, leg spin bowler started his IPL journey as a replacement for Nathan Coulter-Nile, and Tahir played for 3 seasons for Delhi. Tahir in all the 3 seasons combined took 29 wickets, and in 2015 he took 15 wickets, and he was on 12th spot in the most wicket taker list, and later he was in Rising Pune Super Giants squad for 2017 IPL. Number 13, Nathan Coulter-Nile. He was in squad for 3 seasons, and in 2014 Coulter-Nile took 2 wickets, and in the next season Coulter-Nile took 15 wickets. Overall, he grabbed 3 wickets in 2016 IPL edition, and in 2017 Coulter-Nile was picked by KKR for 3.5 crore Indian rupees. Number 12, Andre Russell. The Caribbean right-hand all-rounder started his IPL journey with Delhi as he was brought by Delhi in 2012 auction. Russell scored 47 runs and took 1 wicket in 2012, and he scored 11 runs and he went wicketless in 2013, and later that season he was released by Delhi. Number 11, Aaron Finch. In 2011 auction, he was in DD's franchisee. Top order batsman scored 102 runs from 2 seasons, and his highest score for Delhi was 30 in 2012, and after that Finch was seen in auction. Number 10, David Warner. Another top order left-hand batsman started his IPL journey with Delhi in 2009. He played for 5 editions. He continuously improved with the bat as Warner scored 2 centuries for Delhi, one in 2010 and another one in 2012, but in 2013 Warner played his last season for Delhi. Number 9, Pat Cummins. Australian player, played 1 season for Delhi, and that season was 2017 IPL. Cummins played 12 matches and he took 15 wickets, and Cummins scored 77 runs with the bat, and he ended on 14th place for most wicket takers list. Number 8, Quinton de Kock. Left-hand wicketkeeper, played for Delhi from 2014. He played 7 matches in 2014 and scored 153 runs, and in 2015 he got just 3 matches to play and he scored 2 half centuries in that season, and in 2016 he played 13 matches. Overall, de Kock scored 445 runs with 1 century, and he was on 9th spot for most runs getter list. He got injured in 2017 and Delhi released him. Number 7, Morne Morkel. A right-arm speedster, played for Delhi from 2011 to 2013, and overall Morne Morkel took 45 wickets when he was playing for Delhi Daredevils, and he took 25 wickets in 2012 IPL edition. His best for DD also came from that season as he took 4 for 20, and he also won the purple cap in that season. Number 6, Tilakaratne Dilshan. One of the legendary batsmen from Sri Lanka started his IPL journey by playing for Delhi, and he scored 566 runs for Delhi, and his best score came from second edition, and Dilshan was released from Delhi in 2011 auction. Number 5, Dinesh Karthik. A right-hand wicketkeeper, played for Delhi from 2008 to 2011, and in 2014 once again Dinesh was picked by Delhi Daredevils, but he produced a good batting in all the seasons, and Dinesh Karthik was released in 2015 IPL by Delhi. He has played for 6 different franchises in IPL. Number 4, Shikhar Dhawan. Left-hand opener, was once played for Delhi in 2008, and in 2008 Shikhar Dhawan scored 4 half centuries, and overall he scored 340 runs, but before 2009 IPL Dhawan was transferred to Mumbai Indians. Number 3, AB de Villiers. South African batsman started his IPL career from Delhi. He continuously played 3 seasons for Delhi Daredevils, and de Villiers scored 671 runs from 3 seasons. He scored 3 half centuries and 1 century, but he was released before 2011 auction. Number 2, Glenn Maxwell. The explosive all-rounder was signed by Delhi in his first IPL season, but Maxwell scored 6 runs in the first season, and once again in 2018 Delhi franchisee signed him and he scored 169 runs in the whole tournament. Number 1, Carlos Brathwaite. West Indian all-rounder started IPL by playing for Delhi in 2016. As the all-rounder, Carlos Brathwaite scored 83 runs in that season and he picked 7 wickets, and after that season Carlos was in auction in 2017 IPL. To get all the updates of the stats in cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया। आएंगे